Welcome to WordPress for fan pages. Facebook made some recent announcements where they announced that FBML will be no longer. All those nice fan page tabs that you could make with FBML is a thing of the past. From the 11th of March, you won't be able to set up any new FBML fan page tabs. For those of you that haven't created a few spare ones, you won't be able to do that anymore because they're actually deprecating FBML over time, which means they won't be doing any new development. Existing tabs will still be, existing FBML tabs are still available and you can use them, but from the 11th of March you won't be able to set that up. So if you've got a new fan page or you want to add some new functionality to your fan page, then you won't be able to do that. They've replaced that with something they call iframes, which has got better performance. It runs off your own server. It's a lot more flexible in terms of what you can do. You can match the whole style sheet and everything with your existing website, so it's a lot more consistent. The one challenge though is that you do need a programmer to do these pages for you. And it's not just us that say so. There's actually quite a few resources on the web, some leading authorities, and these are the typical statements like now require more developer support. Even though it's great and it'll function at a higher level, even the most basic functions will now require developer support. Allfacebook.com is one of the leading resources on Facebook. If you want to read anything about Facebook, that's the place to go. Interesting observation that they have is that for the average person, things just got immensely complex, which is not what we wanted to hear. So what is iframes? Well, in the past with FBML, Facebook actually hosted FBML as an application. So what happened was you would just open up a fan page tab and it will go and read the code of Facebook. Going forward, Facebook has decided that you need to run the code on your own server. So it will go to Facebook, find out that you're actually looking for a tab on a page, go back to your machine and pass the information back to the server, your domain server on that side, bring it in and display that to the user. So even though you're running, it looks like you're running in Facebook, in the background you're actually running on your own server. So what is WordPress for fan pages themes? Well, the reason why I chose WordPress is because it is just so easy to update your own information on a frequent basis, and that is exactly what you want to do with a fan page. It's not static content. It's not stuff that you want to pay a developer once and keep it static. It is stuff that you may want to change on a monthly, weekly, or even daily basis in certain instances. So it needs to be easy to do, and WordPress is one of those great platforms. One of the big advantages, it's free, it is stable, and it's got massive support. There are lots of people around the world that actually use WordPress, so it doesn't matter where you go, you can find someone with a skill even if you don't have it in your own organization. And just to reiterate, did I say that it's easy to use? It is extremely easy to use. Just some stats on WordPress. There's more than 18 million WordPress sites out there. It is one of the best platforms to try and create something which is a platform for the Facebook fan pages as well. And with my experience in WordPress, I just found it so easy, and for my customers and for people in my organization who use it, they can just update the information themselves. So to get back to what is WordPress for fan page themes, well, it's essentially 8 WordPress themes that I've created that is consistent with the Facebook color scheme. It's got corporate feel menu tabs, so it's not it blends nicely with the background of Facebook, and it gives you a very professional view of it. So what you get is you get the 8 themes, and I'll go into what they consist of. There's also installation video. It's around about 18 minutes long. It takes you through the whole installation process on how to set it up and also how to set the Facebook component up that you need to get this WordPress to run in it. The reason why there's 8 themes, it's a combination of, it's the same color theme, but it's a combination of themes that's got menus, titles, and comments on enabled, right through to no menus, no titles, and no comments. So you can decide in terms of your organization what you need, and you can run either one, or you can install them all and decide which ones suit your requirements best. So how easy is this to do? Well, let me show you. For those of you that have seen WordPress before, you will recognize that these are the themes area where you can set various themes, and these are the 8 themes that I showed in the or that I discussed in the presentation. And you'll see with this one, it has got a no menu, no title, no comments, right through to the one that I've got that I use right at the moment, which is it's got a menu, but it's got no title and it's got no comments. For those of you that have used this sort of thing before, you will understand how easy it is to put this together. Let me quickly show you what the page looks like. So if I look at what the page looks like, this is my WordPress page that I have at the moment. I'll show you what the WordPress site looks like. The way I've set this up, you'll see there's the menu structure. There's 3 different pages on here. So if I just go back to how I set this up, I go to pages, and you'll see that I've got those 4 pages. Say for let me just show you. If I look at about information there, if I look at store specials, discount codes, this is information that I may want to change on a regular basis. I may want to feed that off external system or something like that, but it's quite easy to manage these for yourself. So let's change one of the tabs and you'll see how easy it is to set this up yourself. So I'll just go back to, let's create a new page on here, and what we will do is we'll just call this benefits, and the benefit section I'm going to get is actually on this allfacebook.com, and as you'll remember, there were certain benefits that they mentioned or highlighted, which for the average person this just got immensely complex. Let me show you how easy it is. So I'm going to take this page and I'm going to create a all Facebook link here. With that, I'm just going to link that up, and what I want to do is grab some text to put in there. So this is the text of the website, this text at the bottom. If I take that text, paste that here, and I publish that, so you'll see how easy it is for me to set that up. I go back to the page. Here, as you'll see, there's nothing right here. I just press F5 on my machine, which is refresh. It will go and load, and there is the benefits section included. So let's see what's in benefits. There's the all Facebook link, and that is how easy it is to set up. And that's how easy it is to put fan pages together using WordPress and the WordPress for fan page themes that is supplied with this. So how can you get hold of this? Well, there's a buy button at the bottom. Just look at the buy button. It is done through PayPal, so there's a 30-day money back guarantee on it. If you don't like it, if it doesn't work for you, let me know and I will give you money back for you. Thank you for watching this, and you know what to do next. The buy button at the just below this.